You may have a PowerPoint slide deck or possibly a Microsoft Word document wherein you have installed pictures, but find they make the overall file size very large. This can be a nuisance if you need to upload or download that file and can slow down opening the file for use, such as a PowerPoint slide deck. If you convert the file to a PDF, odds are that some of that data will be compressed out, but you can make the .docx or .pptx parent file even leaner before conversion by using the image compression tools built into Word and PowerPoint. I will demonstrate that using this file I have in Microsoft Word, but know that PowerPoint has an identical set of features for working with slide deck files. So I have this docx or .docx file open in Word. As it is now, these photos taken from a smartphone have a lot of data, and the .docx file is 1.2 megabytes, which for just a few pages is not ideal. To compress the file's images, I'll click on any one of the images, and Word will put a highlight around it and will offer up a new tab on the top toolbar. If I click it, I see the Picture Format ribbon. On this ribbon, under the Adjust section, one of the options is Compress Pictures. If I click that, I see several options here. The first one's very simple. If I want to only compress the photo that I've highlighted, I check this box. I keep the box unchecked if whatever compression I apply to this photo, I want to apply to all photos in the file, which is what I want to do in this case. If I did any sort of trimming or cropping of any of the images in Microsoft Word, I can choose to delete the cropped areas from the file's data. Otherwise, these cropped image areas remain saved within this .docx file, so I could restore the images later in a subsequent edit if I wanted to. But I'm going to leave that checked, since I don't need to save the portions of a photo I might have cropped just in this Word file. The next options are for resolution. Now, these are fairly easy to understand, but they may require some experimentation to discover the optimal resolution for whatever my project is. For instance, this time around, I'm going to choose the email option, minimize document size for sharing. Then I'll click OK to make the compression. Now, I don't know if you can see it through the video very well, but I certainly can see it looking at my screen. The image looks okay, but it's lost a lot of data and it looks a bit grainy. And so while this would reduce my file size quite a bit, down to 130 kilobytes or almost 10% of what my file was before this, I'd like something in the middle, a little bit better image quality for a much smaller file. I can undo the compression I just did on these photos by using the undo feature. That is, Control-Z or Command-Z keyboard shortcuts. Okay, now I want to return to the Compress Pictures tool. This time, I'm going to choose the web level compression. I'll click OK. And I see a little bit of loss of quality in the pictures, but it's not at all bad. Meanwhile, my file size is now 246 kilobytes, which is still only about a fifth of the file size that I started with. So that's really good. As I said before, I've got an identical set of tools in PowerPoint. I click on any photo. I get the Picture Format ribbon available. I click on it so that I see the options. Compress Picture is right here. And again, I can choose a resolution that works best for me. I could apply it to only one slide or picture on a slide, or in this case, I'll apply it to all pictures in this PowerPoint slide deck. Then I'll click OK, and PowerPoint will perform the compression and greatly reduce the size of this slide deck.